Didn't have my mic there. Hello. Let's go. Let's do a quick little game dev live stream here. Let's see. Mic is working. That is working. Okay, we're good. Okay. There we go. Okay, what are we doing today? So, today we will try to make some attack animations. We'll probably spend some time with like Aseprite and doing pixel art a little bit with the created stuff. Let's see how it will go. Okay, right now I just colored my guy here white, fully in white, because okay, in Godot, let's jump here. 1 second. Okay. The state of the game is right here right now. Okay, we have the animations now, right? So we have the character in the game. Walking, running, idle is working fine in every direction, in every 8 direction here. So that's good. Now we just have to adjust our attacking here. It's still the attack from the previous one, the previous asset. So like the system will stay the same, right? We can attack in every direction we point the mouse at. So that will be the same, but we will try to, like in Blender, put the like the VFX is for the last asset, right? We will just do the body effect. Yeah, the body effect will be adjusted to this asset here, and then we have to figure out like how the attacks will work. Yeah, that's the plan for today. Let me see here. So it's basically the same. We will have the punching. Let's go to Blender real quick. Okay, we can close this. Go to Blender here. Yeah, we will just have attack animation. I already put in the like a punch combo thing. Okay, let's see the camera here. Like we will have the punch animation for every direction. And we will keep it white because of how our thing works right now. Like in game, we have an overlay on this character, and every white pixel in the asset is glowing a little bit of blue. That's supposed to be the core energy, right? And the VFX will be in those white pixels as well. So we have this like glow effect, and yeah, whatever the core color is, it will be also on the character. So that's the idea here. We will see. We will have all the 8 directions. Yes, we need that too. We need all 8 directions, and we need to adjust the attack VFX too. So let's go here. So right now, let's go to the attack animation. It's right like this, and like we will have a VFX for the body that stays on the body, like winding up or something like that. And when it releases for the punch, for example, we will have like something like this, where the hitbox actually will be. Right? Yeah. Okay. So I think this could work. So for right now, we will take the whole character. We will see how the pipeline will work with integrating all those images. I don't know. But I think we don't need like leg stuff, so it will probably be better if I do something like this. Even the body maybe. Like, can probably go to, I don't know. This looks kind of weird. I think the body should stay in the future. But we will, like I said, we will do the whole body thing and see if that looks good. Yeah, we will just keep the other body parts here. And let's see how the punching stuff will work. Right now we have I have imported 3 animations. So we have the combo punch, we have a light punch, like just a small one, like this one, and we have the heavy punch, right? Yeah. It's always with the right, which kind of works because in the game, the right body part, like the right arm, decides which attacks you will get. So it kind of works right now. So let's keep it that way. Okay. This one is working fine. So let's import the light one. Let's see here. Go on the rig. We have the light punch. 32 frames. Okay. Now we can still, yeah, we can use our script here to import or render all the images, but let's see that we decide on how many. Let me just check that real quick. I guess we did. There we go. So attack punch, we said 8 frames. 8 frames. 8 frames. Could be good. How many frames is the attack punch right now? Let's see. Core tail, attack body VFX. It is at 8 frames. Yeah, that kind of works. Like with the speed and stuff. Let's try it. Let's try 8 frames. Because the attack VFX, this one is also... Oh, okay, it's a little shorter, but that makes sense. Hmm. can reuse this attack punch thing for now, but in the future we need to like create a actual VFX that's matching the animation, but that's fine, we will do that. And okay, that should be good. What is this? Right now I'm trying to figure out how the character will attack. Right now I can just give a little status here. This is the character I created with Blender, right? So the problem with my first attempt was like I just had like 3 assets and stuff, and with those 3 assets I just created a controller for the player, for the character. Everything was working fine, and then I hit a wall because pixel art is hard. I can't create so many assets, like just creating the assets for the character will be a lot of work if I do it by hand in pixel art, and that was not gonna be an option. So what I did is I tried to figure out a pipeline where I use just like the Blender and render images and then put them into my game as sprites, right? And then you have a somewhat good looking pixel character that works in 8 directions and yeah, has all the animations you need, right? So that's where we're at right now. And now I'm trying to figure out the attack. Like before I already had an attack, but right now it doesn't match the assets, of course, of the character. So we will try to adjust that as well. And yeah, hopefully figure out if the system I'm working on works. Because one other thing is, let's see here. Why I wanted this pipeline is I wanted to have the ability to like change, like the equipment in this game will be the body parts, right? So I wanted to have the ability to change body parts. Let's say, let's go here, go to material, no, resources, body parts. We have the recolors, maybe let's do the purple one, purple body, there we go. So now I equipped another body to the character, and we should have a different color body. Let's let him figure it out. Yeah. And that's the idea, right? So you can... Oh, wait. So you can change the color of the body and... yeah. If you switch out like all the body parts or something like that, you can just see it in the character then as well. So right now we have the purple body equipped, right? So we see the purple body on the character. Yeah, that's how the equipment system will work. That's a milestone we finished. For now, we don't have other assets right now, but you get the idea. Later you can like add a body of, I don't know, a robot or a skeleton and just equip it on the character, and you will have that asset then ready and animated for that character. Okay, now let's go back on this. Yeah. Okay, for the attack, Let's go to scripting. Let's see. Rig, camera rig is reset. Rig is on in position. Yes. Right. Yes. Okay. Let's go to our script here and we will do renders. Let's go to our base. Okay. So we have this. Let's make a new folder here. Say light punch, I guess. Light punch. Okay. Animation. Copy that. Light punch. Yeah, we will render it into the light punch one. Good. We will just need 8 frames. So let's do that. And we need every direction and body parts. Yes. We can do. Okay. Save that. And let's create. And then let's try to bring that light punch into the game and see if this works how we imagine it. It will work. Okay. I think it's done. We have light punch. Oh. Okay. Now we rendered all the frames here. So we have body and we have all the frames. Okay. That worked. Now what we need to do is go here. 1 second. Okay, in the game, let's go to our assets. Okay, we have the human base, right? Core tail character. Let's do another one with core tail tags, I guess. And in here we will put like Godot is struggling. 1 second. What just happened? Core tail is stuck. Oh, okay, there we are. Okay, it's like that. So human base. So we will do another one here. Because it's the human base attack, right? If you have the human base arm equipped, you get that attack. And in here... you will have the punches. Okay. Right, and then here we can just... oh, let's open this one in our Explorer here. And create... where's the other one? There we go. The ones that we did here. The light punch one. Let me think about it. Do we even need all these body parts? I'm kinda questioning it. Doesn't need to be... oh, 1 second. Doesn't need to be rendered differently, right? We have the option to, but do we need to? No, we don't need to do that. Wait. Like we have all these different body parts in here, but we don't really need that. Let me see in the script. We need the direction. Body part render groups. Let me check if I need to... body part object, at body part objects. Because for the attack, we don't need to separate the body parts, right? So let me check something. Let's see. Wifis? Wifis? What's up? Was geht? Alles gut? Versuch hier gerade die Attackenanimationen hinzukriegen. Wir haben es schon reingebaut. Jetzt müssen wir nur rausfinden, wie wir es ins Game packen. Ah, Abyss, okay. Was geht? Was geht? Hoffe, dir geht's gut. Ja, ja. Wir sind gerade... We are doing this right now. So the character is already in. We already have the animations in here. Now we just have to figure out the attack animation, right? It's still on the alt assets, so I'm trying to build in like a light punch, a heavy punch, just so we have a attack pattern here. But yeah, I'm trying to figure out how we will do... Ja, mir geht's gut und dir? Ja, alles gut. Alles gut soweit. Der Stream wird nicht lange dauern. Ich werde nur ein bisschen hier rummachen, ein bisschen brainstormen. Und dann schauen wir mal. So, lass mich mal überlegen. Okay. Passen wir unseren Blender-Script an. Let's change our script here in Blender. Warum kein Witcher? Heute kein Witcher. Ich will nur ein bisschen GameDev machen und dann... Oh, ich bin müde heute, deswegen... Danach gehe ich sofort wieder schlafen. Und Witcher dann ein andermal, auf jeden Fall. Wir werden da auf jeden Fall weitermachen. Okay. Let's adjust our script here. So we don't want... we don't want to do all the body parts here, right? So we need another one. So we need a setting here. Exactive, frame, direction. Let's do it here. Add a note here for full body renders. I guess we can name it for now. And here we will do render full body. Let's keep the render full body. For now it's false, but... And we will need full body render and do... Willst du dein eigenes Game machen? Es ist so ein laufendes Projekt für mich. Man kann ein bisschen coden, ein bisschen Gehirn anstrengen und ja, man lernt was Neues, ne? Deswegen, ja. Ich hatte schon immer so diese Vision von einem Spiel und ich versuche es in die Welt reinzubringen. Oder es wahr zu werden zu lassen. Aber es ist ein langes Projekt. Einfach ein paar kleine Schritte immer in Richtung Ziel. Achso, spielst du Fortnite? Oh, ich bin kein Fortnite-Spieler. Ich habe es damals mal versucht, aber ich bin einfach... Ist nicht mein Game. Not my game. Okay, let's call it, I guess, full body. Full body render name. Okay, so now we need to change it near here. Body part objects. Is this one right? Okay, here we need to change. Let's see. Playing it because of the John Wick skin. Oh, okay. Is there a new one? Yeah. There was an old school one, right? Okay. Okay. For here, we need to if our Render full body. If that is true, we will... Oh, that was not what I wanted. We need to take all the objects from the list before, right? So from the body parts. So we need the list. Oh, list. Let's see here. What did I call it? We don't call this types and objects. So all the objects in there, and we need to close that up. Es gibt auch seinen Pitbull als Begleiter. Oh, cool, okay. Nicht schlecht, nicht schlecht. Ich habe da echt nicht reingeschaut, aber hört sich gut an. Fortnite macht ja immer viel mit Skins und Dingen. Also die Skins und so sind immer cool. Okay. Okay, let's concentrate here. We need to do all objects. And we have that list. So, for all the objects in the list. Full object. List. In the body parts one, the body... Oh. Body... This one, right? Yeah. For all the things in here. So all the values. Values. Insane, thank you for the likes. Thank you very much. Okay. For every object in that, and for every body part object, for every body part object, every body part object in that one, in that in object, in object, oh, list. Need to... Okay, we have all the objects, and then we take all the body part objects for every one. If the body part object is not in all objects, so if the body part object is not in the object, we will add it into all objects. Yeah. So we will add it into objects and append. So we are appending that object that is not in the body part, right? So body part object. object. Exactly. And with that, body, body part objects. Should be like this, because it's a list. The part objects. We will have the full body render name, right? All objects. So let me double check. Okay, before we had all the body parts and rendered them separately. Now we added render full body. So if that is true, we will take, we initialize this all objects here. We will go through the object list, take all the body parts, and if that body part is not part of all objects, we will add it in there. That should be how it is, right? Oh, someone is going crazy with likes. What's going on? I hate it when I can't track the TikTok stuff. But thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, this should work. So if we do that, and then we will have like body part objects, we will have all the objects in there, and we won't yeah, okay, let's try it. I think we did it, right? Let's try it out. So let's save this, go to render full body. We will do true. Damn, okay. What is going on TikTok? I'm not understanding right now. Likes are going crazy. Thank you very much. Okay, we will do true. And with that... Okay, let's get rid of 1 second. Renders like this one. Okay. Let's get rid of that. And now we should... In Light Punch, we should have a full body render. Okay, let's see. We have an error, of course. If render full body. Wait. Did I format this wrong? Okay, let me open this in the Blender thing is not the best. Let me just see here. Let me see. I think I formatted it wrong. Let me just open another editor. What? 1 second. Okay, now we should have it in here. 1 second. True. Alles von dir. Okay, danke dir. Hey, danke dir. Die Likes muss ich irgendwie noch tracken und auf TikTok. Das habe ich noch nicht hinbekommen in meinen Overlays. Okay. Das sollte passen. Renders, it should be... Oh. My headset went out of juice. 1 second. Okay. We want 8 frames. And what was it called? Let me see here. Light punch. Renders, light punch, 8 frames, and we want the full body. Okay. So that should be faster. Let's see. Okay, we have light punch. It's a full body. We have all the fronts. Okay. Yeah, that worked. Nice. Okay. So now that we have that, do I keep the full body annotation? That's the question. Let me open. Oh, no. What did I want to open? My. That one. We have the light punches. Okay. Human punches. Let's do light punch here. Then we copy all of that in here. Okay, now it should be in Godot. Let's let him import that. Okay, now in punches we have light punch and all the frames we need, right? Yeah. Okay. Those are in. Okay. Let's see. Next step would be let's see. Now we need to like this. We need to ask. Yeah, how? Okay. Now that we have the animation though, I'm happy with that for now. I will think about how to implement it because before I just have 4 directions of the attack VFX and we just took the up one, for example, for all the directions like up, up, left, up, right? So right now we have all the 8 directions of that attack VFX. So we don't need that old structure anymore. We will just have it for all the directions, right? So we can just take this and put it in the game like it is. This will be interesting. Yeah, okay, I will think about that. I will end the stream right now. We did a solid 1 hour. I just wanted to update the status right now. We do have the modular system with the body parts. We have the attack animations now, and it's colored in white, so the overlay will work, right? And yeah, next time I will just try to add it as is into game. It's probably better if I like decide to maybe adjusting these sprites will also be a pain because you have to do it in every direction. So maybe we have to find another way to maybe animate this so it looks good in the game. Yeah, okay. We have things to think about. Alright, but until then, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.